Do you have a cough?
No.
Do you have a cough, Marty?
Ruth, no.
Do you have the new cough, Marty?
It's probably the old cough that's been on and off.
But remember, Marty,
Ruth, not again.
we went to that party and you had that Havarti and it made you
me feel farty. Ruth, now don't get me started.
Well, anyway, Jan was there and she wasn't feeling so well and she had a cough, Marty.
She said, ahem.
A new cough, Marty.
It was just some phlegm.
So Jan gave it to you and
It was
you'll give it to me
5 p.m.
and
We
then
left
I'm gonna
before
die.
them.
Is it the cough that will send me to Sinai?
I'm giving you sign.
Marty.
Do you have a cough?